What happens to your body if you eat purple onions every day for 30 days after turning 50? The standout feature of purple onions lies in their striking reddish-purple color. This isn't just a superficial trait, it's the very source of their exceptional benefits, which far exceed those of white or yellow onions. Beneath their distinctive purple skin lies a treasure trove of powerful antioxidants that help combat diseases, rejuvenate cells, and enhance overall health. This is particularly vital as you enter your 50s, a time when your body requires more protection and regeneration than ever before. Let's begin by exploring the remarkable nutritional value of purple onions. Vitamin C. Purple onions are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that protects cells from free radical damage. Additionally, vitamin C bolsters the immune system, helping the body to effectively ward off illnesses. Vitamin B6. An essential component for the metabolism of proteins and carbohydrates, vitamin B6 also supports stable nervous system function and plays a role in hormone production, ensuring the body operates in harmony. Manganese. A vital mineral, manganese is involved in numerous enzymatic reactions, contributing to metabolic processes and supporting the development of strong, healthy bones. Flavonoids. Purple onions are packed with flavonoids, especially quercetin. This compound helps reduce inflammation, protect cardiovascular health, and lower the risk of chronic diseases, offering long-term benefits for overall well-being. Purple onions are a rich source of antioxidants, offering countless health benefits. Compared to other members of the onion family, purple onions boast higher levels of flavonoids and phenols, which help combat damage caused by free radicals. This is why purple onions are regarded as one of the most effective anti-inflammatory foods, contributing to a reduced risk of chronic diseases. The remarkable health benefits of purple onions lie in two primary groups of compounds: sulfur compounds such as disulfide, APDS, and flavonoids, particularly quercetin. These compounds not only provide anti-inflammatory properties, but also help protect the body from various harmful agents. According to a report published in the Indian Journal of Experimental Biology, purple onions contain cysteine derivatives known as cysteine sulfoxides, a type of sulfur compound that breaks down naturally when consumed. This unique characteristic underpins their exceptional health benefits, including anti-diabetic, antibacterial, cholesterol-lowering, and anticoagulant properties. In essence, eating purple onions supports your body by helping to regulate blood sugar levels, prevent insulin resistance, lower bad cholesterol, and boost the immune response against bacterial and viral infections. Purple onions are more than just a kitchen staple. They act as a natural guardian in the fight against cancer. According to a 2012 study published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Cancer Prevention, purple onions contain ethyl acetate extract, EEO, a compound with the ability to strongly inhibit fatty acid synthase enzyme, thereby slowing the growth of cancer cells. What sets purple onions apart is their ability to trigger apoptosis, also known as programmed cell death. This process eliminates dangerous cells, halting their growth and spread. This mechanism has shown significant potential in combating some of the most common cancers, including breast cancer, stomach cancer, and colon cancer. Additionally, another study highlights that regular consumption of allium vegetables, such as purple onions, can significantly lower the risk of developing stomach cancer, one of the leading causes of cancer-related deaths today. Incorporating purple onions into your diet may provide a natural and effective way to bolster your body's defenses against cancer. Purple onions, like garlic, generate biochemical reactions known for their ability to combat infections, viruses, and inflammation. These natural properties make them a powerful ally in maintaining overall health. When examining the immune-related functions of purple onions, researchers discovered that their antioxidant enzymes, particularly superoxide dismutase and glutathione peroxidase, play a crucial role in fighting common illnesses and more severe infections. These enzymes boost the body's defenses and support a stronger immune response. Purple onions have also demonstrated antifungal activity against various types of fungi, including Candida, as confirmed by multiple studies. Furthermore, research highlights that purple onions contain natural antibacterial compounds that can help alkalize the body, making it less hospitable to harmful bacteria, including some of the most lethal strains. Additionally, allicin, a powerful antibacterial agent found in scallions, onions, and garlic, enhances the protective effects of purple onions. It is particularly effective against a wide range of bacteria, further underlining its value as a natural safeguard against infections. Onions, particularly purple onions, are regarded as a natural remedy for diabetes, with numerous studies demonstrating their beneficial effects on insulin and their potential to help control weight gain. Purple onions and other varieties are often included in natural diets for managing diabetes due to their ability to prevent hypoglycemia and stimulate insulin secretion. This not only helps regulate blood sugar levels, but also reduces inflammation associated with diabetes and autoimmune diseases. According to researchers at the University of Michigan, consuming onions regularly can significantly lower blood sugar levels in individuals with diabetes. This effect is thought to occur by inhibiting the breakdown of insulin in the liver. Additionally, compounds such as APDS, found in purple onions, have been shown to prevent insulin degradation in the liver while stimulating the pancreas to produce more insulin. This increases insulin levels in the bloodstream and reduces glucose levels, as observed in animal studies. Incorporating purple onions into your diet may provide a natural and effective way to support blood sugar regulation and manage diabetes. Purple onions are more than just a nutritious food. They are a reliable ally in improving blood circulation and supporting your body's detoxification process. Similar to garlic, purple onions possess the ability to eliminate carcinogens and toxins from the digestive tract while enhancing circulation, promoting a healthier body from the inside out. These onions also stimulate digestive enzymes, aiding in gut healing and reducing oxidative stress in the digestive organs. This is particularly important if you are looking to improve your digestive health or prevent inflammation caused by food allergies or sensitivities. One standout benefit of purple onions is their ability to support liver detoxification. By helping the liver efficiently eliminate toxins, purple onions protect this vital organ from damage and ensure its functions remain stable. Incorporating purple onions into your diet can be a simple yet powerful way to cleanse your body, enhance digestion, and maintain liver health for overall well-being. Both purple onions and garlic trigger biochemical reactions known for their potent effects against infections, viruses, and inflammation. These natural defenses make them powerful tools in supporting your immune system. When the immune-modulating properties of purple onions were studied, researchers discovered that their antioxidant enzymes, particularly superoxide dismutase and glutathione peroxidase, play a significant role in combating common illnesses and more serious infections. Purple onions have also demonstrated antifungal activity in numerous studies, effectively targeting fungi such as Candida. Additionally, research shows that purple onions possess natural antibacterial properties, helping to alkalize the body and fight off even the most potent and potentially fatal bacterial strains. One of the key compounds, allicin, found in scallions, onions and garlic, further enhances their antibacterial power. Allicin provides robust protection against a wide range of harmful bacteria, reinforcing the body's natural ability to fend off infections. Studies have shown that ethyl acetate extract, EEO, found in purple onions can inhibit lipid accumulation, helping to prevent weight gain and obesity. This is particularly crucial because obesity not only impacts appearance, but is also closely linked to serious health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. By maintaining a healthy weight, you can prevent metabolic syndrome and protect your body from the dangerous complications associated with obesity. Purple onions also support metabolism, improve blood circulation, and promote overall health. Adding them to your daily diet can help you not only manage your weight, but also reap long-term health benefits. Supporting respiratory health. Thanks to their strong anti-inflammatory properties, purple onions help relax respiratory muscles, alleviating symptoms caused by asthma and bronchitis. They are also highly effective in preventing common respiratory illnesses such as coughs, colds, flu, sneezing, and a runny nose. If you're seeking a natural remedy to improve respiratory health, purple onions are an excellent choice. Fighting tuberculosis. Purple onions' antiseptic and antibacterial properties make them effective in managing tuberculosis symptoms. The compounds in purple onions can neutralize the bacteria that cause TB, reducing the risk of spread and supporting recovery. Eating purple onions with salt can enhance their antibacterial effects and further combat these infections. Lowering blood pressure. Research has demonstrated that quercetin, a flavonoid found in purple onions, can lower blood pressure, particularly in individuals with hypertension. Meanwhile, allicin, a compound released when onions are cut or crushed, provides exceptional cardiovascular protection. According to a 2013 study by Hong Kong Polytechnic University, allicin boosts the body's antioxidant capacity, reduces harmful reactive oxygen species, and stimulates the production of glutathione, a powerful health-supporting compound. Providing essential potassium. Purple onions are also an excellent source of potassium, a vital mineral that helps regulate fluid balance and supports nerve, muscle, and heart function. Potassium is essential for breaking down carbohydrates into usable energy, promoting a healthy metabolism. Moreover, potassium-rich foods like purple onions aid in lowering blood pressure by counteracting the negative effects of a high-sodium diet, thus easing the strain on your cardiovascular system. Simply incorporating purple onions into your meals can naturally and effectively support your heart health. Purple onions offer numerous health benefits, but there are some key considerations to ensure safe and appropriate consumption. Moderation is key. While nutritious, excessive consumption of purple onions can cause indigestion, bloating, or heartburn. Incorporate them in moderate amounts into your daily diet. For those with digestive issues, individuals with conditions such as stomach ulcers, acid reflux, or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, should limit their intake, as purple onions may exacerbate symptoms. Potential allergens. Some people may be allergic to purple onions, experiencing symptoms such as rashes, itching, red eyes, or asthma. If this occurs, stop consumption immediately and consult a healthcare provider. Medication interactions. Purple onions may affect the efficacy of certain medications, particularly blood-thinning drugs. If you are on medication, consult your doctor before including purple onions in your diet. Avoid on an empty stomach. Eating purple onions on an empty stomach might cause discomfort or nausea. Combine them with other foods to reduce these effects. Proper storage. Store purple onions in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Avoid refrigeration, as high humidity can lead to quicker spoilage. Preparation tips. Purple onions can be eaten raw or cooked. However, cooking may reduce some antioxidant properties, so choose your preparation method based on your nutritional needs. Who should avoid purple onions? Although purple onions are a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamin C and minerals, not everyone may benefit from them. Individuals with stomach conditions or acid reflux. Purple onions may aggravate symptoms like heartburn or acid reflux, especially for those already suffering from these issues. People with IBS. Purple onions contain FODMAP carbohydrates, which can lead to bloating and indigestion if not properly broken down in the gut. Those with onion allergies. Rare cases of onion allergies can result in symptoms like rashes, itching, red eyes, or asthma. Risks of consuming purple onions. Indigestion. Overeating purple onions can lead to bloating or worsen pre-existing digestive issues. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may experience mild to severe allergic responses. Medication interactions. Particularly with blood-thinning drugs, purple onions may pose risks. Stomach discomfort. Eating them on an empty stomach may cause irritation for those with sensitive digestive systems. By keeping these precautions in mind, you can safely enjoy the health benefits of purple onions while minimizing potential risks. Purple onions are more than just a familiar kitchen ingredient. They're a true superfood offering a wealth of health benefits. However, remember to use them wisely and in moderation to fully harness their incredible potential. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel for more engaging and informative videos. Let us know in the comments below, what's your favorite way to use purple onions in your meals? We'd love to hear your thoughts.